I'm seeing flames.
He's just set my van on fire. It's insured.
Is it?
Yeah.
Good, because these fucking pretty good flames, these.
Did you see that? It took a big puff to do that.
Yeah.
As you can see, peeps. We're finally getting a little bit further forward with the welding.
Oh, let's go and see what the hubby's up to, shall we? He told me he was doing the bed frame. So, looks like we've made quite a bit of progress there. We've got a floor in. Oh! Sleeping on the job again.
I'm so tired, love, I could sleep on a log.
Oh, God.
Literally.
Oh, what have we got here then?
So, we've got the start of the bed frame going in. Everything's only temporary. It might look like we've got a good floor down, guys, but I can assure you that's only temporary for the moment. It just lifts out and we've still got welding to do underneath it.
Unfortunately, yeah. But we just wanted to get the floor down just so we can get the right measurements for all the like higher up stuff. Starting with the bed, then you'll probably do the kitchen, toilet, and then the cupboards at the top.
Yeah, nothing's screwed permanently into place yet.
No. Oh, but yeah, that'll be where the bed goes. Obviously, there'll be a bit of 4 or 5 inch thickness for mattress and stuff.
Yeah, it'll come up to about.
And
should come up to about that height.
we should both be able to sit. Well, I'll definitely be able to sit up because I'm only 5'1", but you're 5'8". You should be able to sit up straight. Yeah.
This sense of balance, you know, came from when I was working on, where is it, Glasgow, on a retail park. Walking across steel girders with no safety harnesses on, 140 feet high.
Oh my God.
So,
Health and safety was shit back then, eh?
a lot of years ago, yeah.
Right, I think it's time for a cuppa, and then... Oh, before we go, I have been busy...
Filling your cracks?
Filling in all the cracks in the wood. I've still got all the middle section to do. And then all of it to sand, but I hurt my back the other day, so I haven't touched the sander. So yeah, getting that all filled as well. It's coming along nicely, and we've got 2 awesome surprise things to show you later that are going in the van. What could they be?
A cage for the child.
No. So he's got the bed. It's still the same. We're not going to really do much more with it at the moment because of the welding. But what hubby is doing is he's starting to plan for the things that are going to be going in, like our garage space under here. He wants somewhere for his fishing rods. And that's coming up next to the kitchen, so he's trying to account for, you know, the kitchen sink and all the rest of it. There's the water. We want 2 of those, don't we?
Or 3.
2 or 3 of those. How many litres are they?
They're 20 litres.
20 litres they are. So yeah, I think that would do us, wouldn't it? And yeah, of course the gas bottle as well. But our little grand reveal is our sink and cooker unit that we're going to be putting in the van. Now this one, technically it's free because we haven't paid for it right now, but we did pay for it, what, 5 to 7 years ago when we had our old van.
It was about 300 quid.
It was about £300 brand new. And it's
model 8123 and it's
Smev. And you just open the... Oh, you'll have to hold it down.
Oh!
It's got its own splashbacks, but we are planning on doing some sort of tiled splashback at the back there. Oh, you've already put... You little shit. It's leaving me mucky dishes in the sink. Not even moved in yet. It isn't built, by the way. That's just on a table.
Kirsty, by the way, she did say that she wanted it, you know, so about her height to the bottom of the sink. And yeah, it's not going to make my shoulders and back very comfortable washing in a sink.
that isn't high enough for me either, so... Shut up while I'm trying to demonstrate.
And here...
Here's the cooker. Get your hands out of the way. It's a 3-burner, as you can see, and when we used this, we had there was 6 of us all together. There was me, hubby, and 4 boys, and we managed to cook all our meals and everything on this. So 3 is more than enough. To be honest, if we didn't already have this, I probably would have gone for something with a 2-ring burner, because I think that's enough for 3 people. But as we already had it, then, you know, these Smev sinks, I will say, they do come in loads of different styles. You can get, like, triangular shaped ones, you can get square ones, you can get 2-ring burners. I'm sure you could probably even get 1-ring burners if you really wanted to. And they're just absolutely brilliant, and they're so stylish as well. They look lovely. They're just stainless steel and then this, like, black glass. The only problem with it, I find, as a woman, is it constantly needs polishing because it's black. It attracts all the dust. I cleaned it just before we started filming it, and already you can see, if the camera will go in focus, there's already bits of dust on there. So that's the only issue, and it isn't really an issue. You've got to expect a bit of dirt when you're living in a van, haven't you, really? And that is the tap hole there. We do have a solution for draining dishes, but we'll show you that when it's more put together. If I just stand outside the van, you can kind of get an idea of how much space we've got. And I'm liking it. Are you screwing something there, Kaylin? Yeah. Are you having fun? She's trying to unscrew all of her daddy's screws. Right, surprise number 2. Are you ready to demonstrate, darling?
Oh, I suppose so. We have got a parcel.
Special delivery. Yeah, or the day before. I can't remember. We have opened it already, so it's a fake unboxing.
1 container, 1 base plate, and 1 diesel heater.
That's what we've gone for instead of the log burner.
I think it's a lot smaller than the log burner. It takes up a hell of a lot less space.
We don't really know where we're going to put it yet, do we?
I'm actually thinking either in the electrics cupboard down there,
which is under Kaylin's bed. We showed that in the last video when he made the pull-out bed.
Or at the back of here.
The back of the beds. Yeah. We will decide. And something else, guys, once we've figured out how it all goes together, because there's a massive box of bits and pipes and stuff. So guys, what we'll do is, when we've figured out how it all goes together, I think Bot's in there, darling. Once we've figured out how it all fits together, we will do a video showing that and setting it up properly when we're ready to set it up. And then, you know, hopefully it will help you out. If you want to know what diesel heater we got, I'll pop a link below for Amazon, which will be an affiliate link, just to let you know. I'm not sure.
I'm glad the instructions don't come like that, though.
We did look at the Herbispatcher ones, but they were like £600–700.
So, yeah, and it's thermostatically controlled, and it has a remote control with it as well.
So we can turn it on and off in bed.
Without having to keep on.
In the cold.
So yeah, I'm going to have fun with this, that's for certain.
Yeah, we felt it was important to get the heating sorted as soon as possible, because we want to be in here. It doesn't necessarily have to be finished for us to be in here, but we want to be in here before the really cold weather kicks in.
Now into the middle of October, unfortunately. It's quite warm outside, but it's not going to stay like that for very much longer. It's going to get bloody cold, and we want to be in here and keeping warm for the winter, even if we can't exactly drive anywhere with the extra work that's to do on the welding. I'm sure we'll be fine.
So there you go, guys. What do you think? Good choices?
Quick
I'll
question.
also put a link to the Smev sink in the description as well, which will be another Amazon affiliate link.
And a quick question, guys. We've been, or Kirsty's been filling the cracks in on the pallet board ceiling. Does anybody know of any particular products that we want to put a light whitewash over the top of the wood? So we want the grain to still show through, but you know, we want the wood lightening up considerably, you know, with like a very light whitewash. Does anybody know any products?
Any sort of paint that would do it, because bear in mind we are going to be cooking in here, so it's going to be getting moisture and there's condensation in vans anyway.
If anybody can recommend something, then we'd love to hear back from you. And yeah, that's it from me. I'm off back to bed.
You can stay there. I'll go and get you a quilt. Oh my god, he actually fell off. Just quickly show you what hubby has got done. We've got very similar to that simple box frame that he did for the bench seats, but a bigger version, high enough for me to be able to wash dishes, because apparently that's where I belong.
You said that, not me.
That's what you always say.
Well, you're good at it. What can I say?
So that's going to be the worktop. Looks like boobies. Or sunglasses.
Sunglasses. God, you just have to twist everything. Right, guys. Seriousness.
He's got a tip for you.
I've got a tip for you. If you get a sink that doesn't come with a template, simply stick the sink on upside down, trace around the edges, and then get yourself a compass and set it. This on that sink, the rim is actually a centimetre. Yeah, so I've set the compass a centimetre, and then I just follow the point, or the point follows the line, the original line, and then the inside line is approximately a centimetre set back. When you cut, don't cut through your first line, you need to be cutting through your second line. This is the lip that the sink and the cooker unit will actually sit on. So yeah, just squiggle it in. I will have to go over the top of it again with a darker pencil so I can see. I'm working under artificial light at the moment, which isn't very good.
You can't see a blooming thing anyway. And you never know where your glasses are.
What glasses? Have I got glasses? Apparently I have to wear glasses. Thank you, Baba. And then, yeah, all I'll do, just get a darker pencil, go over the top of the trace line, drill through there, and then take the jigsaw in and cut around this lip with the jigsaw.
No idea why that went out of focus then, guys, but I think you saw what he did there. Drill a hole inside the inside line and then jigsaw around it.
Yeah, a hole in there. I've already got one prepared. So I'll set the drill away in there, drill through, drill a hole, and then set the jigsaw up, and I'll follow the inside line all the way around. Did you say that? I just did that freehand.
That was pretty good. So there we go, that's how you do the sink, and we'll show them when it's done, shall we?
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Alright then. Back in 5, apparently.
Kaylin's not allowed on the phone, and this is the reason why we've got that funny face. Mummy's just taken the phone off Kaylin so she could do the video, and look what Kaylin's doing. Big sad face.
Are you going to say hi, guys?
You're on camera. No.
She's not going to say hi, guys. Clever girl. Hey.
Hi.
No hi. She's not saying hi, guys, because we've took the phone away. But look at that. Oh my god. ties in so nice, and it's right next to the bench seat. Oh, I absolutely love it. Thank you, darling.
Cheers, peeps.
And
That's me. Have you seen it out there? It's pitch black.
Oh, it looks amazing, and I actually really like the wood as it is. We ended up having to turn it over because he thought it was symmetrical, but they're actually not. The cooker is bigger than the sink. So when he put it in, it was just all really weird, wasn't it? And it wouldn't fit. And then we thought, we need to turn it over. And I actually prefer this side of the, what is it, marine ply?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just love the grain in it. Your cup goes well with our new kitchen. So yeah, I'm very happy. Very, very happy. And it all just fits perfect. Oh, don't. I nearly knocked your coffee over.
That'll be a fatal mistake for you.
So there we go. We haven't told, obviously, it's nowhere near livable yet, but we're getting there now. I can't actually believe it. The thing that I am gutted about, though, is all of this and the floor, apart from the bed frame, is going to have to be taken out when Scott comes to weld.
Well, nothing's screwed in permanent, so
No.
It won't take long to get it out. In fact, nothing's fitted at all, really.
No. Well, you've had to do that on purpose, haven't you?
Yeah.
Just so we can get on. Otherwise, if we'd have waited for Scott, we'd have been here for months in the same situation.
Yes, so, sadly, Scott's hurt his back, so he's not going to be welding
this week.
for a little while. Kirsty hurt her back the other day.
I feel a lot better now, actually. But yeah, one last look at my kitchen. Woohoo! Say woohoo, Kaylin. Woohoo! You're a party pooper. Anyway, that is it from us for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you later, guys. You're going to say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Kaylin wanted to say bye too.
Bye.
Bye.
Colour of her face.